Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a edger blade on a stihl fc55 edger. Any of the parts that we use is just the edger blade. Plus I use a stihl tool. I'll put those both in the description below. Just click on the link, it'll take you right to it. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to want to do is clean out the crack of this, just to make sure there's no debris in it. Just use a flathead screwdriver. Get everything kind of broken up, pulled out of there. We just don't want it. We don't want to strip the nut. There's debris in there, you won't get the socket down in there far enough, and you'll start rounding the nut off. We don't want to do that. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, so we're going to look down under here for a hole. So there's one right there. I'm taking like just a round tool. It doesn't matter. It could be anything, an Allen wrench, whatever. Just something that fits in the hole, and you turn it until you find a spot that stops it from turning. It just sinks in further. Take your stihl tool. This is also spark plug socket for a lot of stills. This is spark plug socket for a lot of the 4-stroke stills. But it's 18 millimeter, or wait a minute, maybe 19. It's 19 millimeter or 3/4. So then we're going to turn it clockwise, and it breaks it free, just like that. Take this off. There's the old blade. That guy got every little bit of goodie out of that, didn't he? New blade on. This is my last blade. I order them by the 50 pack off Amazon. I'll put that in the description below. And a single blade as well. If I forget, you just remind me, and I'll. Oh, sorry. Trying to go clockwise to tighten it. Counterclockwise to get started on. Counterclockwise. When you get there, just nice and tight. And that's it, guys. You're ready to go. Alright, if this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, show me a little support. I'll put the blade in the description, the tool in the description below. Stihl tool is nice to have. It also has the star torque on the end. T27 torque, so you can take your recoil off, and it fits pretty much every torque on this. It's pretty much the only tool you'll need on this. There's one or two other tools you'll ever need, but if you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.